If employees ever drive their own cars for work, even occasionally, you may have a liability exposure you didn't plan for. Today I'll explain hired and non-owned auto in plain English. Hi, I'm Marty with JMW Insurance Solutions. We help business owners protect what they've built, including the hidden risks that can show up in a lawsuit. Let me describe a very common situation. Your business doesn't have company vehicles, or maybe you only have one, but your employees run errands, drive to client sites, pick up supplies, deliver documents, use their personal vehicles to do business tasks. Most business owners assume that's their car, their insurance covers it. Here's the issue. Their personal auto insurance might cover the vehicle, but it doesn't automatically protect your business from liability if you get pulled into the claim. That's where hired and non-owned auto coverage comes in. What does hired and non-owned actually mean? Hired auto usually refers to vehicles your business rents, leases, or borrows for business use. Non-owned auto usually refers to vehicles your business does not own, but that are used in your business operations. Typically employee vehicles, sometimes personal vehicles used for business tasks. This coverage is about liability, not the vehicle itself. In other words, it's designed to protect your business if your business is accused of being responsible for an accident involving a vehicle you don't own. Why businesses get pulled into auto claims. If someone is driving on behalf of your business and causes an accident, attorneys and insurers will look for responsible parties. They may claim negligent supervision, negligent hiring pressure to drive or deliver unsafe practices, poor policies, or lack of training. Even if you did nothing wrong, being pulled into a claim is expensive, disruptive, and stressful. What hired non-owned typically does not cover. This is important. Hired non-owned auto usually does not pay to repair the employee's vehicle, replace the employee's vehicle, cover damage to the rented vehicle itself. That's typically handled separately. It's primarily for liability protection for the business. Real-world example scenarios. Scenario 1, employee errand. Your employee drives their car to pick up supplies. They rear-end another car. Injuries happen. The injured party learns the driver was on the clock. Now the claim expands to your business. Scenario 2, rental car for business travel. You send someone on a trip and they rent a car. There's an accident. Liability questions begin. If you don't have hired auto coverage, you may be relying on rental coverages that aren't designed to protect your business properly. Scenario 3, occasional driving, the we don't do that much trap. This one gets businesses. It's not frequent, so they don't think about it. But claims don't care about frequency. One incident can trigger a major liability situation. Who needs hired and non-owned auto? Many businesses do, including service businesses with employees traveling to clients, contractors, and trades, medical, and professional offices where staff run errands, real estate, and property management. Any business where personal cars for work happens at all. If the answer is yes, even occasionally, it's worth reviewing. How this ties into pricing and underwriting. Carriers care about the rules you have in place. Do you have a policy that employees must carry personal auto insurance? Do you verify it? Do you set expectations about safe driving? Do you discourage texting and distracted driving? Do you restrict driving for certain roles? Basic policies can improve your risk profile and long-term insurability. Quick audit. 5 questions. Do employees use personal vehicles for any work tasks? Do you reimburse mileage or fuel? That's often a clue this is happening. Do you ever rent or borrow vehicles for business? Could a claim try to pull your business into liability? Do you have a written driver expectation policy? If you answered yes to any of these, hired non-owned auto should be on your radar. Hired and non-owned auto is one of those coverages that's easy to ignore until you need it. And when you need it, it can be the difference between a contained incident and a business level crisis. If you want, we can quickly review whether hired and non-owned auto belongs in your coverage and make sure it's structured correctly. https://JMWInsuranceSolutions.com. business insurance.